This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have the line type definition file, lin, or use Autocad's built-in library. First, set LT scale to 1 so dashes display predictably while you work. Then open the line type dialog or type line type at the command line and choose load. Once done, click browse to find the lin file and select the specific line type you need. This registers the pattern in the drawing so you can assign it immediately to layers or objects. Next, assign the newly loaded line type to a layer via Layer Properties, or pick objects and change their line type in the Properties palette. This keeps standards consistent. To control dash length for specific objects, modify the object line type scale value. Also, make sure you understand the difference between PSLT scale and MSLT scale. Toggle them to get correct dash appearance in paper space versus model space. Once you change scales, watch how patterns stretch and make small adjustments to match drawing units and plot expectations. Finally, apply the line type and run region or regional so dashes redraw correctly. If your layout is for plotting, adjust global LT scale to match the plot scale. Try values like 0, 5, 1, or 2 until patterns look right. Make sure objects use by layer if you want consistent behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if dashes appear continuous, check LT scale, PSLT scale, and MSLT scale, then regional. Also confirm the lin file path and reload the line type if necessary to resolve corrupted or missing definitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.